Episode 3: Clay Types and How to Choose the Right Clay. Have you ever made jewelry that cracked, broke, or didn't turn out the way you expected? Most beginners think it's a design problem, but in reality, it's usually a clay problem. In this episode, I'll explain the different types of clay, how to choose the right one for terracotta jewelry, where to get terracotta clay, how to test clay quality, and the most common beginner mistakes you should avoid. Let's start with the types of clay. The first one is terracotta clay. Terracotta clay is natural, earthy, and traditionally used for handmade jewelry. Once it dries properly, it becomes strong and durable. It gives an authentic handmade finish and is ideal for earrings, pendants, and beads. If you want long-lasting, chemical reaction-free terracotta jewelry, this is the best clay to use. The second type is air-dry clay. Air-dry clay is very popular because it's easy to find and dries quickly. However, it has some chemical reactions. Jewelry made with air-dry clay can bend, may not give a smooth finish, and sometimes the color comes off, especially after sweating or water splashes. It's fine for practice, but it's not recommended for professional or long-term terracotta jewelry. Now let's talk about where to get terracotta clay. You can find terracotta clay in local pottery shops or traditional pottery areas. When buying locally, always ask if the clay is natural and properly cleaned. Avoid clay that contains sand or stones, as this can cause cracking. Before purchasing, ask the seller whether the clay is pure, filtered, and suitable for jewelry making. For terracotta jewelry, clay soil is the best option. Some sellers mix sandy soil with clayey soil, so always make sure you're getting pure clay soil. Before using any clay, it's very important to test it. One simple and effective method is the crack test. Take a small piece of clay and roll it into a thin strip. Slowly bend it. If the clay cracks immediately, it means the clay is too dry or poor in quality. If there are small cracks, the clay needs a little moisture. If it bends smoothly without cracking, the clay is good and ready to use. Never skip this test, especially if you're working on detailed jewelry. Now let's look at some common beginner mistakes. The first mistake is using very dry clay, which causes cracks during shaping. The second mistake is adding too much water, which makes the jewelry weak after drying. The third mistake is mixing different types of clay together, which leads to uneven drying and breakage. Another common mistake is not testing the clay at all, which often results in wasted designs and broken pieces. Most problems in terracotta jewelry happen at the clay stage, not during painting or finishing. To store clay properly, keep it wrapped in plastic and place it in an airtight container. Only add a few drops of water when necessary. Now you know how to choose the right clay, where to buy it, how to test it, and what mistakes to avoid. In the next episode, we'll talk about clay preparation. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.